This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on Web Development 1. I'm on level 10, Stylish Intent. Goals. Change the color of the P or paragraph tags. Center the H1 text. The style tag can be used to style how the various elements behave. It follows a special set of rules. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and hit start. Alright, what do we got here? This is a comment with CSS. So now we're learning some new stuff, and this is also a comment. Not in HTML though, CSS. Align to center using the text align. Okay, so this stuff's different. We're up in style tag, right? We want to center this. So if I look at how they do the color, I'm going to try what they're saying. I'm going to write text hyphen align colon, and then it looks like center semicolon. Did it work? I think so. I'm going to cut it. Yep. And then I'm going to paste it again. Control V. Yep. So we centered something. Now what? Give all paragraphs a text color. Colors can be purple, orange, blue, etc. Oh. And why is this making the news centered? Well, if you look, this is an H1 tag. So I bet this is an H1 header. And I bet this will give all the paragraphs color because this is a paragraph tag. Let's see. Color. Let's do purple. Oh yeah, and now it's purple. Oh, awesome. So that's what worked for me. I added this text align and then color. Great. Onward.